Hey guys, Felipe Vieira here, front-end and CME design with over 15 years of experience in the web development and design field. We're here for another video in the series of our application. Built from scratch with Bolt, right? And then we continue using Windsurf. Okay, so we're going to continue from where we left off. We left off with our CV running, okay, when we dropped the user's PDF into the user's CV within our application. It's running there, extracting the information in text already with the library we installed here, right? Which Windsurf provided for us. But we will need to integrate, right, with OpenAI. This video will focus on that integration, okay? So I'm going to think about it like the benefit of this application is to create a personalized CV according to the job position we input. We will already do it in a way that OpenAI receives the text data we extracted already with the PDF and send it to OpenAI to do all this data confirmation for us and so on. So in this video, we are going to maximize the integration with OpenAI. So to start, what are we going to do? We will open Windsurf from where we left off. Everything is in order. Our system is here, and we will ask it to do the following. I want you to create an integration with OpenAI. On the home interface, create a drop-down for the user to choose whether they want to use extraction only through the lib via PDF or extraction via OpenAI. This extraction via OpenAI. We will send the text that the lib extracts from the PDF text. To use in the prompt, we will send the PDF text to OpenAI, and in case the user chooses OpenAI, another input will appear for the user to enter the job description content for the GPT, being able to create a CV, but more aligned with what the job requires. Of course, keeping in mind that this is very important to consider. What the client knows and what is in their CV. No, I haven't finished. Here, it is in their CV because they cannot invent content. Just give a greater focus though on experiences and studies related to the job. For example, if the job requires React technology and the CV includes React, then focus on that. The response should be in PDF, not in JSON. What is JSON? It is a web communication format. Okay, he will see. Then I'll show you. You've already seen it here. It comes in a tree structure that we can open and close as we want, right? Nicely separated. Everything separated. We can build our interface in the best possible way. What else do we need? Create a theme switch as well, of course, for light, dark, and home. A settings button from OpenAI for the user to input their key into the system. Use it. To make requests Save it in local storage while using local storage. I was thinking of creating a database for us to work with databases as well. People are asking for it. I think I'll also include it here in this playlist of lessons. Okay, so it will create for us via OpenAI integration. It will make requests for us. It will save locally. Storage so we can use it. I think that's all we need in the system. Okay. So let's go press enter, remembering that our system is like this today. You see Regenerator already has a theme here, look. Settings, we even have here OpenAI, all right? All right. Folks, it's already loaded here, look, it's already done, okay? We have an interface here. I'll need to do a refresh, just to update it, okay? But it has already generated everything correctly for us. Okay. Let's just see what's on the screen there. You saw that it changed the theme, right? Everything turned white. Now we will need to fix this. Let's see how it configures. All right. It's here from OpenAI for us. Save. The theme switch doesn't work. Okay. Choose OpenAI. It's the job description. All right. Clicked here. It places the CV. Okay. Let's see if it didn't break anything in the core of our system, right? Let me quickly search for you to see what we have here. Design and generate results efficiently. In the file. In the call. Let's copy here. The failure that occurred gave an error. 500. It tried to call the API. We're going to open it here. I hadn't done everything I had initially planned to do. The error, perhaps I'll let it run. It's outdated. Going to refresh for us. Let me simply remove. Please hold on for a moment. Here, so you can read, right? It doesn't become difficult. On the other monitor, all right. I'm going to install the latest from OpenAI for a front pit that we sent all together, and it was quite assertive. I just messed up a little bit in the design part. All right, let's think about this a bit more. Set implementation, it seems. We will explore this subject in much greater detail at a later time, ensuring that all aspects are thoroughly covered and understood. Fix it. Let's put OpenAI to play our CV in there. The digital stutters. Taking at least. All right. This here could be the respawn. Our format.
of calling. We don't define what JSON is in the call. The text is already there. You see? All right. It is sending to our backend. That our backend, which is calling OpenAI. I think we won't see it here. Let's see if it corrected. It is an undoubtedly undeniable fact that maybe it's the prompt that didn't have the response defined as JSON, right? Either it's not parsing or it wasn't set for GPT itself to return as JSON. Look there, it wasn't defined, so it comes as text from GPT, and our API is responding to the text as JSON, and it causes an error in our API. It's the BFF that we're doing there in Next. Okay. He's going to make an urgent change there to parse correctly. Just for me, slightly, just to be able to click and hear increase slightly. All right, refresh. He did it right here, you see, look, and then I was actually the one who was the subject of the pending. Making request. But it returned, you see, but it's kind of messed up. The name is wrong. Skill experience with PN, you see? It's wrong? Could you clarify what exactly he is providing or offering in the user interface that allows someone to copy this? Please include details about the specific elements or features involved. This here will give a lot of tokens. If I copy all this, I'll have to explain to him. We have to pass it as text. Okay. All right. Great. Did we choose OpenAI? The PDF extractor there just needs to convert the PDF to text and send all the text to GPT because it contextualizes better than that one. So it will send all the text PDF plus the prompt. It's just that it will go like this. I think the NDPT returns where they provide a better structure. Okay, let's see how it behaves now. Because this is happening, folks. Because he's sending this guy here. See this guy? It's coming in an array. See everything mixed up. That's not what we want. We want to use GPT itself to do this. Yeah. Yes, do that, but only in the GPT flow. PDF structure, flow, without GPT is not needed. We leave one as it is in the lib for now, and later, if we want, we can refine those rejects to catch everything. It's fine because it can be done, but it's more laborious. And we leave a specific one for GPT. He. Reversed it. Let's see what he did. I told you to focus on the GPT flow. The GPT flow, you have to send the entire text, not it, in an array processed by the lib install PDF data. You have to extract the entire text at once. Here it corrected the normal PDF for us. You see, we don't want that normal PDF. We're not focusing on that now. We want GPT. We want to send all the text to GPT and the GPT structure. It already gave our limit here, folks. The windsurfing. Because we send a lot of data, right? So it already stops. Okay, let's just see what it generated here to see if it did anything with the PDF structure or if it already broke, right? Many times they break. Okay. It broke here, and it's also changing the text colors as well. Changing there. Let us indeed proceed to the background. It is absolutely all right. Still, what we're going to do, just so we don't lose the flow, is we're going to make this flow. We're going to do it. We're going to download the cursor. Okay? The cursor is similar to the Indie Surfer. Now that I've already shown you the Indie Surfer. You already know how I use it and everything. We're going to download this guy here, which is the cursor. Let's go to the life analysis. .cursor.com. You downloaded there and everything, right? You're going to open it. Let me open it here. You have to open the folder. All right. Okay, the folder. Okay. Let's see this guy. All right. Let's close this one because this is done. We're going to enter the cursor. The cursor is similar to Windsurf. Okay. But it has this thing here called Composer. We're going to press Ctrl-Shift-P and choose the Composer here. It will open this thing, Chat Composer Composer. We use it a lot to work with our files. The chat is more for topical errors, like if there's an error in this file, I go there and use the chat. Otherwise, I use the Composer. Let's paste our interface here. Was that what was causing the error there? I want that when choosing the GPT Ali select. It passes the entire text through the extractor there before sending it to the GPT. Right? The Z stratum came out because today it sends it processed, and the processing of this language is not ideal. So just make the adjustment for the flow when needed. We must pass it on to him. What is the the guys. We have the PDF uploader. Messing everything up here. Get out. Annoying, man. We have the PDF uploader. All right. No need. This is the result. Custom builder, no need uploader. PDF uploader is done. Page. We have the utils, which are the extractor and PDF extractor. Component, not needed. And we have this library again later. We will have to take a look at this corner. These are the little arches that are visible, and you can clearly observe here. All right. He will open an extractor, all right? GPT-4 Pro Converter. All right. Close. OpenAI. Let me just drag here a little better. Already messed up. I take the situation into my own hands and try to fix it. The message that he had previously deleted. In the PDF extractor. Does it? I already have an extraction language. Just use the same one. And the flow doesn't go through. No need to invent, perhaps. Otherwise, he will implement another one. And it's a headache to make this distraction law work. And I will put 5 fish. Plus 1 updated. Becomes a senior front-end developer in a big aquarium, focusing on contact management, enhancing skills, obtaining certifications, and gaining valuable experience. It's right there on the front end, and I left the last position already, and my education turned out quite well, providing a solid foundation. Let's just check the response to see if it's coming through as expected. He didn't log in. The response. Here is from hydration. Later we'll fix it. I wanted to log the JSON. Let's open it again here. Log the JSON of the response. from OpenAI in the console on the front end. Because I want to see how it's structured, because later we can tweak this prompt to make it more polished. You see that it's separating all perfectly. Great. Give a refresh. Do everything I want to see, the logs, all of them. Open a great digital designer. Generate. We're going to make a loader. This flow will look cooler, okay? Now, it has already taken the PDF. It knows there are 5 pages. It takes it in text format and sends it to GPT to process. This is our endpoint of our own next application. It sends a profile, name, location summary, and the title, great. It's a correct contact, skills, certifications, the languages, great. Experience. It took the last experience because it talks about design my last experience, so it only took that one. In education, great, it's well structured. So cool, we are already able to extract the data in a cohesive, structured way. So this video has already reached 30 minutes. We will stop here. In the next one, we will refine this prompt to be able to make an intro tailored to the position, and we will improve the display format. Right now it's quite scattered, but we can already see that it's possible to customize the colors. There, it looks nice. So that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. And with this, you can integrate the P&I into any of your projects and do whatever you want. For now, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.